Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. If you just got your first car, congratulations. It's a huge milestone. Today, we're diving into something super important, the heart of your car, the engine. You don't need to be a pro mechanic, but knowing these basics will save you a ton of stress and money down the road. First things first, what does the engine actually do? Simple. It converts fuel into the power that gets you moving. It's a complex piece of machinery, and that's why engine repairs are often the most expensive. But don't worry, taking care of it is easier than you think. Let's start with the lifeblood of your engine, the oil. Engine oil is like a superhero. It lubricates all the moving parts to reduce friction, and it helps keep everything cool. Make it a habit to check your oil level regularly. You can find the dipstick under the hood. It's usually brightly colored. Pull it out, wipe it clean, stick it back in, and pull it out again to see the level. If it's low, top it up. And please, change your oil according to your car's service schedule. Driving with low or old, dirty oil is one of the fastest ways to destroy your engine. Next up, let's talk about temperature. Your dashboard has a temperature gauge for a reason. Keep an eye on it. Normally, it should sit right in the middle. If you ever see that needle climbing into the red zone, it means your engine is overheating. This is a big deal. Pull over safely as soon as you can and turn off the engine. Driving an overheated car can cause serious, permanent damage like warping metal parts. Don't risk it. Now, let's use our ears. Get to know what your car sounds like when it's running smoothly. If you start hearing any strange noises like knocking, ticking, grinding, or feeling weird vibrations, that's your car trying to tell you something. Don't just turn up the radio and hope it goes away. These sounds are early warning signs of potential problems. Getting it checked out early can be the difference between a small fix and a massive repair bill. Another thing that matters a lot is the fuel you use. Check your owner's manual or the inside of your fuel door to see what type of fuel your car needs. Using the wrong or low-quality fuel can mess with your engine's performance and even clog up vital components over time. Stick to what the manufacturer recommends. This brings me to my most important point. Regular maintenance is non-negotiable. Think of it as a health checkup for your car. Following the recommended service schedule for things like oil changes, air filter replacements, and spark plug checks is your engine's best friend. I know it can feel like a chore, and you might think you're saving a few bucks by skipping it, but trust me, preventative care will save you a fortune in the long run. Finally, those little lights on your dashboard are not just for decoration. If you see the check engine light pop up, don't ignore it. It's your car's way of saying, hey, I need some attention. It could be something minor, or it could be a sign of a bigger issue. The sooner you get it diagnosed, the better. So, to wrap it all up, treat your engine well, pay attention to its temperature, listen for any weird sounds, and stick to your maintenance schedule. Do that, and your engine will keep you on the road for many, many miles to come. Thanks for watching, guys. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more car care tips. Drive safe.